Hi mga dear, good morning. Oh my god, welcome to another episode of Dating Myself Until Someone Dates Me. And today, we are here sa Salcedo, Makati. Like literally, di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dito. Pero ang main agenda ko today is to buy myself flowers and get brunch. And yeah, let's see. Dear, ang daming oats. Ano yung oats? Tao. Di ko na lang alam talaga kung di pa ako dito makahanap ng organic encounter. Gulat ako kay kuya. Wow, this is really nice. Hello po. This is nice.
Ang 250. Radiola.
Ang hirap.
200, ma'am. Pero matagal yan.
Thank you po. Wow. Play, I can buy myself flowers. Period. I got myself flowers. Loves 8. Okay, for the next agenda, I'm really hungry. So I think I'm gonna go get brunch. Pero I wanna go to a restaurant, but I have no idea saan. Okay, just a quick story time. Alam niyo ba, dear? Like, I went here last week, pero it's a Sunday. I didn't know na Saturday lang pala yung market ng Salcedo. So I went here, filmed my solo date, and then wala akong napala because I failed. Actually, roll VTR. I don't know what's up, pero sarado na yung mga booth. Booth ba tawag? Late na ata ako. Hello, organic encounter po. Organic encounter po. Opo, hello. Ako po yun. Check. Okay, so I finally found a spot. I'm here sa The Wholesome Table. I'm gonna have my brunch here. Sobrang cute ng flowers na nabili ko. Like, I got this parang around 600. It's pretty expensive, pero girl, ang cute niya. Yun na lang, para maano talaga na 600. Mahal ka talaga, ate. Can I please have one garden omelette? And then one dirty horchata.
Dirty horchata.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. I got my dirty horchata here. Horchata. Whatever. For this here. So I have here omelette and sardo and horchata. Period. Ang init. Alam niyo ba, quick story time. The reason why I'm doing this series kasi if you guys didn't know, I've been single for almost 10 years now. Like, but one thing is I know that I should not rush things. Kung meron na di fantasy, kung wala, edi ano na lang, magmadre na lang. Actually, after netong brunch na to, di ko na lang gagawin ko. Baka umuwi na ako. I'm gonna end this vlog na. However, today is a full day naman for me. So, I don't know. Thank you. Ay, gagi, nakalimutan ko magbayad.